Best Sports Cars for 2024 Nissan Z. In the fast-paced world of high-performance automobiles, few names carry the same weight and reverence as the Nissan Z. As automotive enthusiasts eagerly await the latest releases for 2024, the arrival of the all-new 2024 Nissan Z has sparked excitement and anticipation, reaffirming the legendary status of this iconic sports car and securing its place among the best of the year. The 2024 Nissan Z represents a bold evolution of the Z lineage, blending heritage-inspired design cues with modern technology and performance enhancements to deliver an exhilarating driving experience that pays homage to its storied past while embracing the future. From its sleek silhouette to its dynamic proportions, every aspect of the Z's design exudes confidence and athleticism, signaling its intent to dominate the sports car segment. Under the hood, the 2024 Nissan Z boasts a powerful turbocharged engine, delivering potent performance and thrilling acceleration that pushes the boundaries of excitement. With its rear-wheel drive configuration and finely tuned suspension, the Z offers precise handling and nimble agility, allowing drivers to carve through corners with confidence and precision. But it's not just about performance. The 2024 Nissan Z also impresses with its driver-focused interior, featuring a cockpit-inspired design and a range of modern amenities and technology features. From premium materials and comfortable seating to advanced infotainment systems and driver assistance technologies, every detail is meticulously crafted to enhance the driving experience and keep occupants engaged and entertained on every journey. As one of the best sports cars for 2024, the Nissan Z represents a triumph of engineering and design, embodying the spirit of innovation and performance that has defined the Z brand for generations. Its blend of style, performance, and technology ensures that it remains a top choice for drivers who demand nothing but the best from their vehicles. In a market filled with contenders vying for attention, the 2024 Nissan Z stands out as a true icon, a testament to the enduring appeal of the sports car and the passion of driving enthusiasts around the world. With its legendary heritage and cutting-edge features, it continues to inspire excitement and anticipation among drivers, solidifying its place among the best sports cars of 2024 and beyond.